Long story short, XRP is going down and then much higher than you think. Okay, welcome to the XRP chart. This is daily chart as we are looking at the short-term analysis of XRP. Let's see the price direction, targets, and let's look at the BNB update since it was our last video. Okay, so what do you see here? We are having some wicks to the upside. You can see some buying pressure beneath those wicks. Well, that's a good sign. But unfortunately, XRP is by the definition of my band of short-term moving average and exponential moving average of 13 days in a downtrend. First proof that that is correct. Okay, so we are having some pressure to the upside, some buying power, but still we haven't broken anything. By the way, and by the default, we must conclude a downtrend. Now it really doesn't make any difference how we will draw it. XRP is still in a downtrend, and until we can get above this band, according to my calculations, nothing will change significantly. This band is standing at 46 cents. There you go, 46 cents. Until that is broken, nothing to talk about. And consequently, we are at 46 cents. So maybe today, as you are watching this video, we will break this downtrend. It is a possibility. Till then, my targets will be as follows. 43 cents. First target that we need to complete. I want to see this purge. I want to see this move. I will show you why this is significant. Going to the downside to 43 cents. And even more important, 41 cents. Now people, as long as we are holding above 40 cents, and watch my previous videos in XRP if you don't know the significance of 40 cents, because this is a short-term analysis. As long as we are holding above it, we're good. So if we go to the regions above 41 cents, nothing changed in this bullish picture. Oh yeah, I'm telling you that we will go higher in the long term and in the short term to the downside. Why is that? Let's discuss that narrative. So short term down, long term up. Why? Well, because we are above this band of 144 moving average, and it has some strength, this band. The most obvious one for now is this rejection that we had in March. And what happened here? A candle that changed the narrative. This is the day of 21st of March. On the 21st of March, we are, at least in the next few months, writing history because we broke the downtrend of 144 days and now we are riding the way to the upside. So, is XRP in a bull? I believe the bull phase has started, yes. Why? Because we broke the downtrend of a long-term narrative. But of course, every uptrend needs to have the short-term rejections, corrections, whatever you want to call them, okay? So, next, one more proof why we could still see lower targets, not much lower, above 40 cents, is this channel. If you think they're drawn it correctly, so we were traveling in the upper part of this channel and now we're traveling on the middle part of this channel. It seems like the price will retest, like here one more time, this band, and that would fit perfectly into this narrative, because what would be the price point of this? 43 cents, for example. Nothing to fear about, and still in a bull narrative for the long term. This is my expectation. If you want to see into this channel, then you can see lower targets. Okay, now let me show you one more very important thing, and frankly the thing that should reassure you to the downside in the short term. If we connect this low that we had in March of 12th of March and this high that we had of end of March, what do we get? Oh, by the way, I'm using Fibonacci, right? And you already know that. Now you see the price always after this impulsive move, not always, that's bad choice of words, but very often likes to touch 61.8% retracement. The 61.8% retracement, the one over here, is standing at what price point? 42 cents. You can see that we are for now, yes, holding above 45, which is a 50% extension. Of course, no one knows. Maybe this is the end of it. Maybe today, in the next few days, we will break this and this is enough. Maybe something like this is a double bottom because of those wicks that we mentioned from the beginning of this video. But I'm showing you the possibility why we could go in the short term some more lower targets to be achieved. Okay, so one more proof why we could go into this region, and that would be, in my opinion, the most healthiest, something like that, way of price retracement. Now do keep in mind that this level of 61.8 already showed its strength here at the second part of March. Look at those wicks, so maybe we need to retest that base for a higher ground. Now let's remove everything to show you the final picture. And by now you know the final picture. 43, 42, 41, it really doesn't make any difference. My expectation will be lower targets. If I'm incorrect and if we break above 46, the regions of 47, then this analysis is false and we are going higher right away. But I gotta let you know what I really think about the price, right? Now do let me know, would you have something against this kind of price action? Me personally, I think I would be pretty satisfied. Quick purge to the lowest regions around 41 cent and then continuation to the upside. Will it be double bottom from that point? We don't know, or we will go, as I said at the beginning of this video, much higher. This is a short-term analysis, and short-term I've given you every target that you really need and the price direction. And now something for your BNB lovers. You never know who's watching. Okay, in the last video we updated you on BNB and keep it short, nothing changed. We are still having a downtrend on BNB in that short term. And the most important part, we are still hanging out below the band of 13 at around $326. We told you 328 is the pivotal point that we need to break to go much higher, but for the details watch that video because I don't want to go again into the same story. The alignment of the price now according to the long-term moving average is standing like this, 309, nothing changed. This is my target number one, and if BNB goes lower in this point, we are going to 301. So what should you deduct from this? Nothing changed. Long term we are going up, but short term we're going down, and it's all in the same bullish narrative. We are above the long term uptrend. That if you have patience, you will be kindly rewarded. As long as you don't see BNB below 301, 300, it's all good. We are still in the same boat. As with XRP, this was an explosive move that now needs some, rest. I would call it like that. And BNB is doing just that, resting and standing on the shoulders of a giant. So, still good, still on point. Watch more updates, because I will tell you exactly what's going on. Not what you want to hear, but what really is happening. Thank you for watching.